We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of an Amber child abduction alert. D.C. police are looking for 6-year-old Rashawn Robinson, described as a black child, 4'8", 90 pounds, last seen wearing a tan and black coat, blue pants, a blue shirt, and Jordan tennis shoes with yellow soles. Again, the child's name, Rashawn Robinson, 6 years old, may be in the company of 29-year-old Rolanda Edgar, who was last seen today on Naylor Road Southeast, the 2700 block of Naylor Road Southeast. Edgar described as a 29-year-old black woman, 5'8", slim build, with what police describe as lazy eyes. She was last seen wearing a tan zipper jacket, red shirt, and dark sweatpants. Again, an Amber child alert going out for 6-year-old Rashawn Robinson. More information here as we learn it.